Dun dun dun. Just make a nice line of electricity, bro. Nice line of electricity of our city. What you up to today, Tom? What's going on, man? Grenader skeletons. The thing that I don't know if those ones specifically, but I don't know if they fall under mine or not. But the fact that you have to activate certain abilities with its own specific button, I'm not a big fan of that. Ooh, there was a big fart cloud and I had no idea. I almost died. Fuck. Oh, is there gold in this? I didn't even realize that. Damn, bro, she just keeps having baby after baby after baby. Could actually turn that into something good.